couple of different areas. The only remedy is replacement. It's about at its life expectancy anyway. Because the dishwasher drain line connects to the garbage disposal, I gotta remove the knockout cap from the side there. Via the new compressed putty, you get a good watertight seal. Most important part is locking this collar in place, because if it doesn't get locked, the vibration from the garbage disposal over time will cause this collar to loosen continually. There we go, now it's locked in place.